forgot to get the oil changed in the Bronco. We gotta get to Jiffy Lube. The rally starts in 1 hour. Hurry, Jeff.
All right, next light. Next light, you're taking a left.
Take a left.
Taking a left.
Left of the light.
Good, great, here we go.
Okay. Oh, push! Oh. We need an oil change.
That.
I got you guys. Do you know what kind of oil you want to use?
Pennzoil Platinum.
Cool. I can get it done in a jiffy. All I need is your keys.
Awesome.
I need Pennzoil Ultra Platinum oil because it is the most advanced motor oil in the Pennzoil family. We trust Jiffy Lube for an oil change and quick vehicle check to get us road ready, and thankfully, we can get in and out in a jiffy. I'm at home. I gotta text Rory. Jiffy Lube, trusted by Desert Roots, Rebelle Rally Team 150.